Welcome to our GoWall how-to videos. In this video you will learn how to group, scan, and export notes. The GoWall scanning app is particularly useful for live meetings where the team is co-located and sticky notes have been printed. During the meeting, participants are on the wall, regrouping and moving the sticky notes around to make data analysis easier. Using the GoWall scanning app, you can effortlessly create new groups called themes within or across activities based on how the team has organized the data on the wall. Multiple people can scan and regroup the data and document the results within minutes. You should have already installed the GoWall scanning app. If not, please review the scanning app how-to video for instructions on how to install. To start scanning in your meeting, open the GoWall scanning app on your device. Sign in using the same email and password you used to sign into your GoWall account. Then select Login. There are a series of tabs at the top of the screen: Meetings, Activities, Themes, and Scan. Tap on the Meetings tab. All of your meetings are listed. Scroll through and tap your desired meeting. Now all of the activities associated with that meeting will now appear. Tap on the desired activity. Let's say in your meeting the team has grouped a number of comments within an activity up on the wall. The activity name is Black Hat. The groupings the team came up with are Sales and PM Training. In GoWall, these groups are called themes. Before scanning, you may want to switch your GoWall screen on your desktop to the Scan view. All of the activities and themes are now listed on the left side of the screen, with all of the notes to be grouped on the right. To create a new theme, tap the Add Theme button at the bottom of your screen. Now enter your theme name, in this case Sales, and tap Save. Your newly created theme appears on your smartphone as well as immediately in the Scan view on your PC. As you create additional themes using your smartphone, they will immediately appear in your meeting. If you prefer, you can create the theme on your computer and it will immediately be available on your smartphone. And of course, you can delete a theme at any time by clicking on the trash icon. It is now deleted from your meeting. Okay, we're ready to start scanning. We want to scan the notes organized in the Sales group. Tap on the Sales theme. Now tap on the Proceed to Scanning button at the bottom of your screen. This will turn on your smartphone camera. Up on the wall, hover your scanning window over the QR code of the note you wish to scan. You will hear a small beep and see a brief on-screen notification indicating a successful scan. Continue scanning all of the notes in the Sales theme by hovering the camera over each subsequent QR code. They can be scanned in any order and they automatically appear on screen for each team member to review immediately. If you have already scanned a note into a theme, you will not be allowed to scan it twice. On your device you will receive an error message: Note is already associated with a theme. Each note is designated by its ID number and can only exist in one theme at a time. After scanning your notes into the various themes, if you determine that a note should be in a different theme, simply select the new theme on your smartphone and rescan. The note will be moved from the original theme and placed into the new theme. To navigate at any time to a different section of the scanning app, simply tap on the desired tab: Meetings, Activities, Themes, or Scan. You can also create themes on your computer. From the scan view, if I look at this activity, it displays a number that tells me I have 13 total notes, 7 of which still need to be grouped into themes. If I select a theme, the notes associated with that theme are displayed at the right. Clicking on the activity name again will display the 7 notes that still need to be grouped. To group these activities, you can click and drag to any existing theme. Simply point at the move icon and drag to the theme you want to move it to. A dotted box will appear around the theme name. If a theme doesn't exist, first create it, then click and drag the appropriate notes into that new theme. If you delete a theme, don't worry. You will not delete the notes associated with it. We currently have 3 notes that have to be grouped. Let's say you want to delete a theme, this one for example, with 2 notes. If you delete a theme, it is removed, but the notes are simply added to the notes that still need to be grouped. You can move a note from any activity or theme into a completely different activity or theme. Simply drag from one to the other. Remember though, a note can only exist in one theme at a time. If you wanted a note in 2 groups, you would have to duplicate that note. As with the scanning app, only if you've been designated a meeting owner or facilitator can you create themes and group notes. Participants can view and make comments, but cannot add or edit themes. Now that your notes are grouped in the correct order, you can export the newly organized notes and themes to Excel. From within the scan view, click on the Export to Excel icon. You have the ability to export just a specific activity or all of the notes. Click on All, then select Export. Click on Open. The meeting notes are organized by individual worksheets within the Excel workbook. Now you can format and slice and dice the data any way that you'd like. That's all for this GoWall tutorial. If you'd like to re-watch this video, click on Replay. We also recommend that you watch the next video in this series. Thanks for watching.